Welcome to Shomach Shaval Daf, Shir sponsor Luinish Pasam Biaka Shalom Leabas Yitzchok. We're holding Metzia Daf Yudalit. The Gemara at the end of Mudalit brings what we learned in Maseches Kesuvos Daf Tzadik Beis, and the following is the shir that we said then. If Reuven sold a soda to Shimon, and the Baal Chayv of Reuven comes and wants to take the field, Reuven can go and claim against the Baal Chayv. If there is a Harah over here, meaning that Shimon eventually is going to come back to Reuven and ask for his field. But even if there's no Harah, meaning that Shimon cannot come and claim his field back from Reuven can still say, I am involved, because he doesn't want Shimon to have Taroimus. He doesn't want Shimon to have tightness against him. And that's why he becomes a Baal Davar. From this Gemara, we see something very clear. There's no tightness. There's no way to have a Toyin Benitan if you're not a Baal Davar. If a person is not involved in the deal, he cannot come and not say a taina, not go to Beis Din. He cannot come and claim anything if you're not involved. Beis Din do not address any taina if it's not part of the discussion. So, unless somebody is coming as an aid, as a testimony, then the Torah said that we have to accept an aid because that's what brings the Beis Din to see what's going on. But as a Baal Din, a person wants to come and say, this is what happened because I'm involved, I want to say tainus. Nobody can taina if he's not a Baal Davar, he's not involved in the transaction. And from here is a big yisoid, and it's brought down in the Sfasemes and Likutim. The Chazal call the Yetzer Harah a Baal Davar, meaning the Yetzer Harah is the one who has a taina. He comes against the person. He tells them, I'm also involved, I'm part of you, I'm in your bodies, I can come and taina against you. And with this, the Sfasemes comes to answer a question. Because the shaila is, Yosef was a big tzaddik. How can it be that Yosef, a tzaddik, was in the darkness, in the suffering, for 2 years in the jail in Mitzrayim? We know that a tzaddik is supposed to have or. Where does that choshech come from? So Zog the Sfasemes, and this is a point which is more expanded upon by Reb Tzaddik HaKohen, that there's 2 types of tzaddikim. There's a tzaddik who is mizgaber on his Yetzer. He overcomes his Yetzer. He fights his Yetzer. And every time the Yetzer tries to overcome him, he's able to stand on his side. And then there's another tzaddik. This tzaddik is the one who's mevatel completely Yetzer. The Yetzer is not there anymore. And another point that says the Yetzer turns to be good. The Yetzer is not anymore attacking him. So here tzaddik comes that says that's really the difference between Yosef, which is the Pchinas HaYesoid, the tzaddik, and the Pchina of Yehuda, who David HaMelech came from, who is a Pchinas of Baal Tshuva. Tzaddik is the one who overcomes the Yetzer. That's what's called in Lashon Chazal, le'akafyo, to be oikef, to fight the Yetzer. But the Baal Tshuva, the one who turns things around, is taking the Yetzer and turning it to good. That's called le'hafcho, to turn things upside down. And as the Sfasemes points out, David HaMelech says on his Yetzer, Libi cholol bikirbi. My lave is dead, meaning the Yetzer is completely dead. He's not here anymore. So Zog the Sfasemes, as long as the Yetzer is a Baal Davar, he has tightness, he can come and try to fight. He's still involved. So then he still can come and cause darkness to the tzaddik, even though the tzaddik is overcoming him, even though the tzaddik is vizgaber in him, but the Yetzer is still a Baal Davar, so he can bring darkness to the world. Yosef, who is Pchino, he did not completely demolish the Yetzer, so he still has darkness in his life. He's still living in a place where there's choshech, because there's still a Baal Davar over here. Because as long as the Yetzer is a Baal Davar, he can bring darkness. But David HaMelech is the Shoyesh of Melech HaMashiach. And when Melech HaMashiach will come, there will be only light in the world. Because the Yetzer will be completely demolished. There will be no Yetzer. If there's no Baal Davar, there's no tightness the Yetzer can do. Anyone who wants to join the Shomach Shava email list to WhatsApp, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.